Have you ever wondered what might happen if you hung from a bar every day for a whole month? It sounds really crazy, right? But I decided to try it as an experiment, and the results totally surprised me. After 30 days, I felt taller, stronger, and much calmer than when I started. Here's how my hanging experiment went. Day 1 was really hard. I climbed up to the bar feeling confident, but as soon as I grabbed it and lifted my feet, my arms started to shake. I barely lasted 10 seconds before I gave up. My shoulders and arms felt like they were on fire. Hanging from a bar was not easy at all, but I did not give up. I told myself I would try a little longer each day. On day 2, I managed 12 seconds. On day 3, it was 15 seconds. Every day, I added 1 or 2 seconds to my hang time. By day 7, I could hang for 30 seconds. That might not sound long, but it felt really big to me after each hang. I noticed something interesting. My back felt a little straighter, like my spine got a tiny stretch. When I stepped down, I could stand up taller for a while. In the second week, things got even better. I could hang much longer without my arms giving up. By day 10, I could hang for 45 seconds. By day 14, I hung for a full minute. My grip got much stronger. Even simple tasks felt easier. Opening a tight jar lid was easy, and carrying heavy groceries felt lighter. My shoulder and chest muscles were getting bigger and stronger. When you hang from a bar, your body pulls down, so your arms and shoulders work really hard. It also stretches your spine, which helps your back feel better each time. I finished hanging and stepped down. I noticed something cool. I felt calm. It was as if hanging helped me press a little reset button in my body. My mind got quieter and I felt more relaxed by the end of week 2. I was definitely stronger and more flexible. I was even a bit taller, or at least I stood straighter and taller after each hang in the 3rd week. I was really in flow. Hanging for 90 seconds did not seem difficult anymore. On day 18, I surprised myself by holding on for 90 seconds. My posture kept improving too. One morning, I even measured myself and saw I was 1 inch taller than at the start of the experiment. I guessed that was because of all the stretching I had been doing. The most surprising change was that my back pain went away before I started. I often had an achy lower back from sitting or using the computer too much, but after a few weeks of hanging, it felt like my spine had more room to relax. My lower back did not hurt anymore at all. Every time I finished a hang, I felt proud and relaxed, like I was ready to do it again tomorrow. In the final week, I decided to challenge myself even more. I wanted to break my records every day. Before I knew it, I was hanging for more than 2 minutes by day 28. My arms felt big and really strong. My hands even had a few rough spots from holding onto the bar so much. Every time I beat my own best time, I felt a rush of confidence. On day 30, I hung for 130 seconds. When I finally let go and dropped down, I had the biggest grin on my face. Walking away from the bar after day 30, I could feel all the changes in my body. I felt taller and more upright. My chest was out and my shoulders were back. I honestly felt like I had leveled up in a video game. I felt really proud and confident, like I had done something amazing. So what did 30 days of hanging do for me? It did a lot of good things. My spine was stretched out each time, so I stood taller. My back pain disappeared because hanging gave my back a break. My muscles had more space to relax, so I did not feel tight or stiff anymore. I even felt calmer after each hang, like I had cleared away any stress. Plus, my grip and upper body strength got much better. If I can go from weak arms on day 1 to feeling like a superhero on day 30, you can try it too. Just start with a few seconds and add a little more each day. Believe me, hanging like this can really change how you feel. Give it a try, hang on tight, and see what happens to you.